Hey everybody, David over at Frequency Frontiers, and for today's Ham Radio Minute. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Ham Radio Minute. So today we're going to talk about portable operations or portable first hams. You've probably noticed that more hams are ditching the shack and loading up their backpacks and heading outdoors. It's not just POTA anymore, it's QRP, it's soda, it's IOTA, it's all the OTAs. Even little DIY kits are exploding in popularity. This hobby is literally getting fresh air. And honestly, I think it's awesome. Instead of rows of unused radios collecting dust, people are actually getting on the air. Parks are full of activators, mountaintops are coming alive, and folks are rediscovering the magic of simple antennas, low power, and real-world skill. QRP is booming, not because QRO is bad, but because people love the challenge. Kits are selling out because operators want to build again, not just buy. And POTA and SOTA are bringing thousands of new operators into HF. Operators who might have never touched HF otherwise. So here's the real question. Is ham radio shifting from indoor shacks to outdoor adventures? I say it's a good thing, because every POTA or SOTA activation means more activity, more learning, more excitement for amateur radio. So let me know in the comments. So are you portable first, or do you prefer the good old ham shack? And this is David over at Frequency Frontiers 7-3.